Hello, I'm Alex and I am moving to a 6,000 pesos apartment here in the province. I'm gonna show you the whole process of the renovation. I'm very excited na makita nyo yung buong apartment. I'm gonna show you our first reaction, our Wilcon run para sa new paints, and the apartment tour. Enjoy!
Video tayo. Pwede daw magpintura dito, di ba?
Iya.
Sabi sa'yo oh my gosh, nasaktuhan natin to. Hindi ka na natin ipa-renovate yung yung stock room. Sabi sa'yo pwedeng stock room to, tsaka Ang dami ko na naman pipinturahan, sir.
Wala ko siya. Kasama ko sa natin sa taas ng mga second door na kayo.
We're going to Wilcon ngayon.
SM Wilcon?
No, we're going to Wilcon. Bibili tayo ng mga pintura. Or baka isang pintura lang kasi wala tayong budget.
Vlog? Nakukurap naman ka na matatapos yung vlog.
Totoo. I think it's a curse. We're here at Wilcon. Hanap tayo ng pintura ngayon and other things that we need. Hopefully, pag may nangyari pa sa files ko dito, after finishing this vlog, then something is happening around.
Buko na lang.
Wala man.
Ano guys, saan kayo nakakita ng weight ko na may elevator? Sa lahat.
Anong connect? Parang wala akong...
Ikaw ba ng card?
I think, yeah, we should. Semi-gloss po to.
Semi-gloss latex. 4 liters.
Meron kayong pang-kahoy?
Wala.
Kapag custom color, wala kayong pang-kahoy?
Pakita mo yung pakita mo yung pattern.
Yung isang wall,
Mm.
isang wall, kahoy. So, yung mural, kahoy. No?
Hindi pwedeng basta water base ang top coat. Pwede ba yung kuya? Kunyari, ang pipinturahan mo kahoy. Ipa-primer mo, timber prime. Pwede ba yung top coat nun? Kahit ano ng water base na...
Water base po. Basta water base po.
Oo.
Pwede.
Nahanap ko na yung color kanina. Ito, platinum lilac. At saka serendipity. Pero yung rest of the walls, ito na lang. Light lang. Magkano kuya ang 1 gallon nito? Kung sun and rain?
Saan yun?
Oo.
2296 po.
Bale kuya, 2 gallons ng platinum lilac, semi-gloss. Yung ceiling, isa sun and rain ko. Ito i-color ko. Yung walls, lahat ng walls, ito.
Oh.
Gets? Pwede na yun, no? Tapos, ay, grabing gastos. Yan yung babayaran ko. Oh my God. Ang tinitimpla na talaga nila kanina. Hindi ba kung makaano ka? $60 isa.
Pwede mo to?
Oo. Oo. Pwede rin sa kakanta. Oo.
Yung hagdan niya.
Saka nito? 8,000.
Parang din sa Temple Nation.
Oo nga. nga, gusto ko to.
Pero napapalit din siya. So, pwede mo kailangan gamitin. Where do we go?
We're going home.
Lahat dito?
Thank you, kuya. Done. I think we're just missing one paint. Pero feeling ko may backup paints pa ako doon na madami. So, I guess that's okay. Sister, let's go. Niyaya ko si Daddy. I need help. Okay, ito yung entrance to sala. And may window dito. Then we have 2 bedrooms, first and the second bedroom. This is a really nice office, if ever. Kasi gagawin naming office to. And ang ganda niya kasi meron siyang natural lighting. Right? Video ka kung magdadan here. Pero may cover dito. So, I think this is just a pretty place to do some shoots for my business. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is the dining area.
Alam mo, medyo nakakatakot.
The kitchen.
Sobrang
Ano ka ba?
natatakot ako.
Bakit yung first apartment ko tsaka second apartment ko, tingin mo yung nakakatakot? And then we have this kitchen. So yung previous renter, naglagay ng mga wallpaper. I think I'm gonna remove it though. Or maybe just replace it with something else. And then, may dalawang CR, which is nice. So, liguan and the one with the toilet.
What is this?
I think dating liguan. This is the whole apartment. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It has a lot of potential.
Like me.
And I'm so excited.
Full of potential.
True. Asan si Daddy? Dinala na yung mga gamit ko here. Which is mga pampintura. Ayan. Pampintura and other things. Anyway, that's the update. And I'll be renovating it in the next few videos for now. Bye-bye.